decided to do my own hair for vacation this time around because this shit is ghetto. The Get Ready With Me girlies deserve their flowers. Tapping into my DIY bag to save a coin, and in return, it's giving chaos. Now, I know I said this was a DIY Get Ready With Me. Stay tuned. But I worked long and hard for healthy nails, so the nail salon had to see me first. You hope she doesn't what? Wow, y'all. These are my nails. Like, I'm a little shook about it. Like, what? My real, natural, long, healthy, strong nails. So pretty. I decided to do my own hair for vacation this time around because I'm doing faux locks, and one thing about faux locks, they are very expensive. I've done faux locks on myself before a million times, so it shouldn't be too hard. The only difference is I'm doing the crochet method this time around, and normally I just wrap everything individually. I started last night, washed and conditioned my hair, parted it with like my finger, and I'm going to continue to do the same up here. I feel like most times people like do a whole debrief, share some of their business, have a fun story. I don't got none of that. I am not a hair girl, so I need to focus, okay? I don't know why I'm in here with the lights off. I love the fact that I have the capability of doing my own hair, but this shit is ghetto. My arms are killing me. First half of it is done. I know I might look a little crazy, but stay with me. I bought this hair from Amazon. They are already pre-locked hair. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, so we'll see. It came with the crochet needle. The hair feels super soft and bouncy. I don't know, I'm a little nervous. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to use this to twist the top part of the lock. BRB. I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna try to figure it out and get back to y'all. But as of right now, I mean, it's in there. I don't know. Good morning. This is what I've done thus far. I still have this little pocket to do. Definitely have to pivot. It's giving twist mixed with like locks. I don't know. I'm still using this Amazon hair. I found a way to make it work, child. When I say I was about ready to return this shit, my hair is almost done. I have one more lock that I need to do, twist, whatever you want to call it. But clearly I'm so thirsty. I done already put the hair accessories in. I have a couple beads over on this side, and it is giving cute. For my last lock situation, I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible to show how I get my lock. This is my real hair. This is the braid that I braided yesterday. I use this edge control, like this much. And I put it at the root and kind of just twist it, just so it has some sort of structure. I take my crochet needle and put it through the entryway of the braid that I did. I take one strand of the Marley hair and kind of just like fold it in half. Put it in your crochet needle. Make sure the clasp is closed and pull it through. You're not gonna wanna pull both sides of the Marley hair through. So here's my one strand. It looks like this. This is my braided up natural hair, and this is the Marley. Now, right now, the Marley hair is basically the same length on both sides. We want to pull one side, that way it ends up being longer than the other, because this is what you're gonna use to twist your hair. So I'm left with about this much of the Marley hair, which is basically the same length as my hair. And then I have all of this on the other side. I like to twist up first. That way my root can be somewhat covered. And then I just twist down from there. You wanna make sure that you're twisting it nice and tight. That way it doesn't unravel and it just kind of stays put. I'm at the tip of that one side where my braid was, my natural hair braid, and I still have all of this extra hair left, which is good because I want longer locks. So I'm gonna take the pre-locked Amazon hair. I'm gonna take my crochet needle again. And with the crochet needle, I'm just going to try to find some sort of opening to push this through. So you don't wanna do it way down here at the very, very tip, because then it's not gonna be secure. You wanna do it like maybe here. That way it's secure on the top and the bottom, and you know that it won't move or go anywhere. You might struggle a little bit, but that's okay. That's how you know it's secure. Okay, crochet needle is in. The Amazon hair is already pre-looped. Attach it, close the clasp, and pull it through. Now again, you're basically gonna do the same thing you just did 2 seconds ago with the regular Marley hair. But now you have this pre-locked hair as your base. So you're gonna wanna pull it through. That way you have more on one side than the other. Not too much though, because then you lose the attachment to continue the lock. So I do the same method. I twist up and then twist down. Now I'm twisting the pre-locked Amazon hair with the Marley hair. You see the lock forming? I'm gonna go all the way down and use a torch to seal it. I prefer using a torch over a lighter or matches just because it feels safer and I don't ruin my fingers or my nails, so highly recommend. You don't want to do too much with this because then it can literally chop your lock in half. Nice and secure. Also, please make sure you don't burn like your actual hair. Make sure your lock is well beyond the length of your natural hair so there's no confusion. The lock is pretty much done, but we do have this excess up here from when we attached the Amazon hair. So I just snip it and voila. Wherever I attach the fire to my hair, I like to lightly twist it. That way it gives it more of a secure finish. And that's it. So cute. Okay, bye. First time for everything, I'm going to try to wax myself. I've never done this before, but we're really on a time crunch and my wax lady just isn't available. So I ordered a wax kit from Amazon. We gonna try to do it ourselves, okay? Okay. This is the wax. It came in this package. I turned the temperature all the way to max. As it melts, I'll bring it back down to my desired temperature. Directions say 165 is good for legs. Yeah. I don't really grow much hair, honestly, but I love a smooth, clean finish. The little hair that I do have, he gonna snatch it off. I'm honestly so nervous. Looks like it's ready. Okay. It's definitely hot. Oh, this isn't even the right way. It's supposed to be going down. Oh my gosh, this is so chaotic, honestly. Okay, a couple seconds. This is literally the most chaotic get ready with me I've ever done, period. This hurts. Me going to get a wax is one thing. Me waxing myself and inflicting this pain on myself, I don't like it. I just have to rip. I'm scared. That wasn't that bad. It's something down there. Oh, I'm excited. I did it. Let's see if this is honestly so ridiculous. I have no hair. I promise y'all I have not shaved, waxed my legs in I don't even know how long. All right, so the truth is this waxing system probably isn't the best for legs, I don't think. So I'm gonna shave and I don't care. Yeah, it's gonna have to see the razor, sorry. I'm going to Hawaii for the very first time. I'm so excited. I'm thinking bright colors, prints, fun, vibrant looks, dresses, bikinis. I cannot wait to be laid out on a beach. See you in Hawaii.